Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Memrise community courses, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Memrise website or app and log into your account. Navigate to the courses section of the platform. In the search bar, type community courses to find user-generated content. Select a community course that interests you. Click on the course title to access its main page. Review the course description to ensure it meets your learning goals. Look for the Add to Your Courses button and click it. Confirm that you want to add the course to your profile. Return to your account dashboard to view your newly added courses. To begin learning, select the course from your list of courses. Explore the different levels within the course to see available content. Practice by clicking on individual items to start learning. Use the classroom feature if available to interact with other learners. Take advantage of the Discuss section to ask questions and share insights. Adjust your settings if needed to customize your learning experience. Keep track of your progress through the course dashboard. Try out different community courses to broaden your language skills. Utilize the search filters to find specific topics or levels. Engage with other users by leaving comments on course materials. Continue to update your course selections as you discover new areas of interest. Review your progress regularly to stay motivated and focused. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.